Donc je t'ai arrêté à la fin. C'est parti.
In the previous episode of
Pourquoi
Life is
c'est sombre
Strange.
comme ça, wesh? Pardon. Tirez cap.
They called film
Whoa.
little pieces
What the
of time.
fuck?
But he could be talking about photography.
Or have you done something wrong? Talk to me.
Hey, Victoria.
What do you want, Max?
I see everything here at Blackwell. Do you understand what I'm saying?
No, and leave me alone.
For reals, Warren, this is between you and me.
Don't insult me. Max, go on.
Hey, leave him
Coup de boule,
alone.
mon gars.
Max? Chloe?
It makes perfect sense I'd see you today.
Welcome home, Max.
Bien vu le jeu, on est en
That's
2013.
Rachel Amber. Her missing person posters are
Attends,
all
je laisse la
over
cinématique.
Blackwell.
Attends,
6 months ago.
Attends un peu.
She just left Arcadia. Without a word. Without me. Something happened to her.
Wait, is that grass? Tell me the truth. That's an order.
I didn't black out. I had another vision. The town is going to get wiped out by a tornado.
Max, tell me everything.
Ok. Maintenant, je peux te répondre, petit fils de pute. Et j'ai jamais fait le jeu, je connais pas l'histoire. Je connais l'histoire du 2, ça c'est sûr. Mais le 1, je sais pas du tout. Donc c'est pour ça que je me permets de le faire. Et si t'es pas content, t'as qu'à sub. Le mec a rien compris. C'est un jeu à choix, ouais, exactement. C'est un jeu à choix, il y a 5 épisodes. Là, hier, on a fini le premier. Et puis voilà. Ah, début du deuxième. Ça a l'air zingy de fou. Non, franchement, c'est lourd. Toi, je pense pas que ce serait un jeu pour toi, ça, honnêtement. Mais moi, j'aime bien l'univers et les choix, l'histoire qu'il propose. Putain, elles sont incroyables, les musiques. Allez, lève-toi ma grande.
Being a superhero is dirty work. I need a shower.
Ah ouais, là, mon gars, tu fouettes à fond, là. Ouais, je t'ai
No,
l'air
sir.
déprimé, t'arrives pas.
Take your power
Et moi,
seriously.
non, je suis en détente, là. Tu connais, là. Je pense... En vrai, je pense que c'est ma cam, là, elle donne un effet bizarre, là. Pourquoi c'est tout sombre, là, comme ça. J'ai pris un selfie, là. T'as kiffé? Ouais, ça doit être la cam. Ferme ta gueule, toi. Je vais
Warren
aller
is
sur le net, là,
blowing
un
up
peu.
my inbox now. As long as he helps me figure this out.
Attends, la musique, elle me fait mal au crâne, là, j'avoue. Ah, enfin, on respire un peu. Mais non, moi, ça me rend... Attends, ça me rend ouf. Ma cam, elle fait sombre de ouf. Wesh. En plus, il fait chaud dans ma chambre, sa mère, la pute. Oh, nick. Oui, je vois là.
Warren is
Ordinateur.
blowing up my inbox
Petit
now.
récap. Warren, c'est un
As long as he
mec
helps me figure this out.
qui s'est fait tabasser pour moi. Il est grave down bad, genre. Genre vraiment, et il veut trop notre gag. Genre, c'est un truc de ouf. Et carrément, il s'est fait tabasser pour nous, genre. C'est trop un truc de ouf.
This is so insane, it sounds logical to me.
Il veut, mais vraiment, il désire. Tu veux.
This wormhole thing makes total sense, but
Ah mais
doesn't
fais-moi
explain
un
how
audio
I
tu
can do what no
désires, hein, s'il te
scientist
plaît.
ever has.
S'il te plaît.
I would say this is some crazy shit. Thanks, Victoria. I always wanted to be a Max meme when I grew up. She'll spread that shit everywhere. And I thought I was into Halloween. Dana is not
J'ai pas
messing
compris,
around
répète.
here.
Tu connais pas Walid Sachs quand il fait tu désires, hein. Tu connais pas? Parce que je t'ai demandé de faire un... Ah bah voilà, fais un audio. Fais-moi un audio comme ça. Tu désires, hein. Tu veux, hein.
I admit, this is hilarious, but I shouldn't sink to Victoria's bully level.
Là, faut prendre une douche, là. TVT, je pense qu'il y a rien... Il y a rien de nouveau, je pense. Ah, il y a mon tel, là. Attends. Ouais, ça bavarde. Elles sont bavardes. T'es là, Hippie, alors cette neige de ouf et ton nouveau pouvoir où t'es retourné dans le temps pour résoudre le mystère. Ouais. Rendez-vous au Diners dans 40 minutes. Ça part en retard ou ça veut dire que je contrôle le temps déjà que t'as pas géré avec le... J'arrive, je te hais, ok. Bon allez.
Even with all this crazy shit going on, it is so cool having... Mrs. Hoyta is still out sick. I heard somebody say she has severe depression. Poor thing. I better not leave without my shower supplies.
Ah. Bah où est-ce qu'elles sont tes affaires, ma grande... Ah, elles sont là. On va lui rincer
Okay,
le cul, là.
Max,
Parce que là,
let's
elle
hit the
fouette.
showers now.
Ah, vraiment, là.
Jorge, seriously? Do not forget I need those papers before tonight. Like now. Thanks, Sherry. Yeah, of course, Victoria. I'll get the tests and papers to you this afternoon. I am so on it. Consider it done.
Je règle un truc arrivé avec toi. Ouais. Si vraiment ça fait quelque chose, mais... Bon, on va dire que ça ira. Ouais, je te monte en dépression dans ce putain de lycée ou quoi?
Ow!
Oh.
Ow!
Alyssa, can you stand over there?
Ah, ça va être,
Okay, Max, if that
ça va
makes
être
you
le running
happy.
gag, ça.
Wow, now that was close. Thank you, Max.
Tout à l'heure dans l'horaire, il y a un daron. Qu'est-ce que tu vas dire encore? Il guettait un film de... Mais t'en pensais quoi? Parce que t'as dû l'apercevoir du coup. Il croyait que t'étais pas au DAV.
Oh,
Ouais, Jackie,
hey,
c'est bien quoi?
Kate. Sorry about yesterday.
Ça va frérot?
Yeah, I'm sorry you
Moi
didn't
je suis
do
en
anything
détente.
to help.
Comme tu peux le
But you're
voir.
just like everybody else here.
Petit kimono. Je crois que
It's
c'était
not
moi le
true.
daron.
I wanted to
Peut-être.
help, but
Petit
but-
kimono,
Whatever.
petit
It's
jeu,
done.
petite chaleur.
By the way, Max,
Petit
do you still have my
collisante.
copy of the October Country?
Non là je suis bien là.
oh, yes, of course. It's great so far. I didn't realize Bradbury was such a poet.
Can you please bring it back to my room this morning? I just need to take some notes for
Amine,
class.
vas-y, dis quelque chose, vas-y, fais
Absolutely.
gaffe.
I'll bring it by later.
Dis quelque chose, tu vas voir. Petite douche. Oh, regardez pas. Ah, t'as bien la scène, Amine? Petit pervers. Là. Non, le pire, c'est Zakis. Putain, il doit kiffer. Ah, putain, j'ai la rage. Ah, il doit être en train de kiffer.
What's up, Kate?
Oh, attention.
School. That's it? That video of you clubbing didn't look like homework.
Victoria, that wasn't me.
Oh my god, right. Don't be shy. I think it's awesome you set a tongue record on video.
You're going to be sorry someday.
Ah, qu'est-ce qui s'est passé?
Oh, boo-hoo. I'm sorry you're a viral slut. I'm sure she had fun. Looks like it. I know Nathan hooked her up. And you know he has the good shit. Preach it, sister. Yuck! I still have goddamn paint all over my face. Max Selfie thought she was a badass taking that picture. I should have beat her down. That was so uncool. She's jealous because Mr. Jefferson, knows I'm going to win the Everyday Heroes contest.
Elle, c'est
He
notre
thinks Max
harceleuse,
is
hein,
a
si jamais
joke.
Amine. Comme dans tous les bails au lycée, il y a toujours une harceleuse ou un harceleur. Ouais, bien dit ça.
She's a weirdo with that dumb camera. I hate that I'm so quirky crap. Anyway, let's leave the link to Kate's video so everybody gets a chance to see her in action. You are such an evil biatch. I love it.
Evil biatch. Amine, toi, t'es bien ma bitch, toi. Wesh, elle a mis le lien sur le miroir. Non, ça c'est trop un comportement de ouf. Je t'interdis. Vas-y, viens m'arrêter. Ah, viens m'empêcher de dire ça, vas-y.
I better get dressed and go give back Kate's book.
Miskin, on va effacer
Is
le
that the
message.
link to
wesh.
Kate's video? Damn,
Elle, je
Victoria is so fucking mean.
Je sens que Kate, là, c'est une des meufs, là, qui... Genre, ils vont la pousser au suicide, là, je le sens, là. Il y aura un bail comme ça.
I'm good to flow. Thanks.
Poster à propos de quoi?
The last time I got a flu shot, I got the flu.
Ah, je m'en fous.
Fuck you.
Qu'est-ce que c'est que ça? Ah, putain.
Hello? Water?
Sorry, I forgot.
Évier. Bon, vas-y, on va effacer le message, hein, parce que Miskin, ça se fait
Even
pas.
if I
wesh.
can stop one person from watching it, it's worth it.
On peut pas... Merde, putain, pardon. Rachel la pute. Oh, les bâtards. Panneau d'affichage, y a quoi de nouveau? Option...
Could be fun. Thanks for the warning.
Pas très intéressant pour le coup. Mais attendez, c'est quoi l'objectif là du coup? SMS, il y a la daronne qui nous envoie un message. Bonjour ma chérie, j'espère que tu n'oublies pas d'arroser la plante qu'on t'a donnée. Va te faire enculer. Je fais ce que je veux, maman. J'avoue, la daronne, elle la dévaille un peu à la tante May de Spider-Man avec Tom Holland. Attendez, mais ça me dit toujours pas ce que je dois faire là. Là, elle a eu sa vision, ok. Là, je pense qu'en fait, il faut juste retourner dans la chambre, je pense. Ah, je peux aller voir Kate. Je peux aller voir Victoria. Je peux aller voir... Ah, je peux aller voir tout le monde en fait. Elle est où? Elle est là, ma chambre, c'est vrai. Bah, tu sais quoi, on va commencer par Brooke. On va voir.
No Brooke here.
Elle est pas là. Victoria, bon, on va quand même engager la discussion.
Fine, I won't disturb you.
Elle est pas là.
I need to get dressed before I go there.
Ok. Faut aller voir Kate. C'était sûr. C'était sûr. C'était sûr.
No fucking way. This is not why I came to Blackwell.
Et les mecs,
And I
c'est
still have to clean all this crap
là
up
que notre pouvoir il intervient.
after I find Kate's book.
Wesh, ça fait rien. en
I
vrai.
better get dressed and go give back Kate's book.
Ça change rien, genre?
I better get dressed and go give back Kate's book.
Ah. Un peu déçu
No
pour le
book
coup.
here. Of course she just spilled
Oh
soda
là
on
là, mais
Kate's
quel
book.
crado.
I better fix this fast. Kate needs the book, and I don't want to add to her list of problems.
Attends. Il y a eu un message là. Je sais pas si je. Attends, faut que je m'habille là, je suis à poil. Voilà.
Be gone,
C'est
foul
ça que je vais
soft
faire.
drink.
C'est le train de la hype. Merci Jupiter pour le sub. C'est super sympa. Merci d'investir dans le développement de la chaîne. Évidemment, l'argent que vous me donnez, il sera investi pour acheter du matériel pour les futurs streams, notamment un fond vert, notamment un nouveau micro. Donc merci pour l'investissement. Merci beaucoup.
Aha, you sneaky book. You're mine.
5e mois d'abonnement. Oh mince. Il servira à financer. Va te faire enculer. Vas-y, vas-y. Putain.
Maybe I'll just put on a shirt and jeans. Hey, Einstein had the same exact suit for every day of the week. And he couldn't even rewind
Oh
time.
putain, notre perso il schlingue. Ah non, c'est bon. J'allais dire, elle met les mêmes sables qu'hier. Enfin, que l'épisode
Now I can
dernier.
finally take this back to Kate before I'm late. As if I have to worry about being late anymore. I do have all the time in the world now.
Numéro privé, ok, j'arrive. Mais attendez, ah mais voilà, du coup ça a carrément pas... Bah, c'est le message quoi, bah je l'efface, miskin.
Even if I can stop one person from watching it, it's worth it.
Voilà. Bah oui, wesh. Non, miskin en plus, la dernière fois on l'a même pas aidé. Elle va vraiment se suicider, elle. Ah oui, message privé. Numéro privé. Ferme ta grande gueule. Sinon je te défonce, je sais où tu dors. Putain.
Oh shit. Now I'm getting anonymous threats? It never ends. This has to be from Nathan. But it could be anybody. I better be doubly careful around here, or I could be in serious danger.
Je peux
If
pas
I'm
fouiller
not already.
comme hier là. Attends, déjà, je vais lui parler.
Hello,
Voilà.
Juliet.
Wesh.
Hey, Max, did you check out Kate's hot video yet?
Why should I?
Because it's fucking hilarious. Church girl gone wild.
Mais qu'est-ce qui
Kate's
s'est
not
passé,
like
wesh?
that, and you know it.
Really? Check her out and tell me what she's like.
Do you believe everything you see? Like Zachary sexting Dana?
Touché.
Je vais me permettre d'aller regarder
Now
la
I feel
vidéo,
like
hein,
an ass.
juste pour voir ce qui s'est
Thanks
passé
for
dedans,
finding
hein,
out
pas
the
par
truth
curiosité
yesterday.
malsaine, genre.
Are you sure? I thought you'd be pissed.
Not at you. Part of me was almost disappointed because I built up so much rage.
Glad to see you're back in action.
You have a good heart, Max. And I won't watch Kate's video anymore. Or pass it on.
That's the spirit. Thanks, Juliet.
Je vais quand même
Sure.
aller la regarder.
Talk to you later.
Toi, je t'ai parlé, attends. Bah, je peux peut-être la regarder d'ici? Non?
Who will survive and what will be left of them?
Dana.
That would be fun. Like I could pull this look off. Hello, Victoria.
Non. Et si je vais directement ici? Non, rien non plus. Mais j'irai voir sur mon ordi alors. Je vais juste parler
Hi, Dana.
à
How are
Dana.
you?
Much better than
Dana White.
yesterday. I'm glad we talked.
Me too. I know it's good to just talk about this stuff.
You're almost psychic. I felt like you knew everything anyway. By the way, the best and biggest news of the day is that Trevor asked me to the Halloween shindig.
That's awesome, Dana.
At least we're showing our faces together in public. So you absolutely should go with us. Borrow one of my outfits and come as a cute geek couple with your bitch Warren.
I'm not big on cosplay.
Don't let life pass you by, Max. So, are you coming to the party or not?
Mon gars, on va faire la fête.
Why the fuck
Direct.
not? If I hate it, I can always go back to my room.
That's the spirit, Max. After this, you'll be ready for a rave.
It does sound like fun. Now I have to go contemplate my party future.
En ça, Trevor? C'est qui Trevor? C'est qui Trevor, wesh?
Who will survive and what will be left of them? Like I could pull this look off. Hello, Victoria.
Pilule contraceptive. Putain, elle a effectué le kill. Son mec, je crois, Dana. Rachel, Warren, proviseur. Je sais plus. J'avoue, je sais plus du tout. Chambre de Juliette. Ah non, Juliette, elle est derrière, là. Qu'est-ce que je voulais faire? Ah oui. Je vais juste aller voir sur mon ordinateur. Putain, ils ont saccagé ma chambre, quoi. Y a pas un post-it avec des menaces, là?
I can't keep my eyes open, but I know there's a scientific answer. Warren is blowing up my inbox now.
Warren,
This
c'est bon,
is
toi,
so
tu
insane.
fais mal au
This
crâne.
wormhole I would say thanks, Victoria, and I thought I was into Halloween.
Ok, y a rien.
Dana is not messing around here.
Hop.
Kate, you in there?
Yes, I'm here. Come in, Max.
Putain. Wesh, la scène de ouf. Regarde la protection de Jésus. Putain, elle a caché le miroir carrément.
Why did she cover up the mirror? She can't look at
Avant de lui
herself.
parler, évidemment, on va fouiller, comme d'habitude.
Kate is all alone dealing with this video bullshit.
Appelle-nous
I hope
Kate.
her mother doesn't
Permets
disown
de recevoir un
her.
appel étrange de la part du proviseur te concernant un propos d'une fête. Il semble que nos inquiétudes lui deviennent. Appelle-nous aujourd'hui, il est temps que nous ayons une discussion sérieuse. Putain, miskin. Je sais pas ce qu'elle a fait vraiment, mais. Putain, elle a du. Non, vas-y. Des mouchoirs. Bah alors, ma grande.
That's a lot of tears. She's going to go
Je sais
through
pas si
boxes.
c'est des larmes. Hein. Magnifique. L'hôtel pleure, nous on prend en photo son lapin. Putain, c'est trop une dinguerie.
Ouch. She left out Damnation.
Tu te la donnes dans cette vidéo à l'instar de. Je suppose. Oh putain. Alors là, si elle est pas dans la merde, elle. Dessin. Oh, tes dessins, on s'en fout un peu et ta photo aussi. Hein. Vas-y, on te parle.
Hey, Kate, I brought your book.
Max, why didn't you do anything when David harassed me yesterday?
Bah, en vrai, on a eu des preuves. Je sais que c'est dur à accepter, mais.
I wanted proof David was in your face.
I thought he was different.
Elle est
I'm happy to
possédée.
see that somebody cares.
Kate,
Non, en vrai, je
I
pense
actually
pas.
do care. So,
je pense
what's
qu'elle est
the
juste,
story with you
perdue,
and
quoi.
David?
Well, he's a total paranoid ass. He thinks I'm part of the Vortex Club. Yeah, right.
Non, on va pas lui parler de la vidéo.
Why does
miskin.
he think that?
Because he saw the video.
Oh.
You know how humiliating this is for me?
I know this sucks, Kate, but tell me about the video and maybe I can help.
Basically, I went to one Vortex Club party and ended up making out with a bunch of people. And I have no memory of it.
Putain. Ah, c'est cool parce qu'on peut faire le choix de l'accabler, genre. Oh, putain, il y a putain de moustique. Non, on va jouer la carte de...
That's
Vas-y.
awful. So, how did that happen?
It's a long story. I'm still trying to sort it all out.
You have to tell me more than that. What happened at the party? Did you drink?
I swear to God, I had one sip of red wine, and then I drank water.
Not enough to get wasted, is it?
I don't get wasted. Ever. I take a sip at church, and I don't end up on a viral video, okay?
Did somebody drug you?
I remember getting sick and dizzy.
Go on.
Then Nathan Prescott said he would take me to the
Encore
hospital.
lui.
How sick were you?
Sick enough to need a doctor. I thought I was dying, Max.
So, Nathan didn't take you to the ER.
All I recall is driving for a long time. Then I woke up in a room. I thought it was a hospital because it was so white and bright.
Go on. I'm listening.
Somebody was talking to me in a soft voice. I thought it was a doctor until I heard Nathan and felt a sharp sting in my neck. And...
Putain, ils l'ont piqué comme un crackhead.
And?
That's all I remember. I don't know what happened.
Ah, j'aurais pas
I
dû dire
woke up
ça.
outside my dorm room the next day. I didn't have any marks or bruises, but I felt gross.
So, who took the video of you at the party?
I have no idea. Probably Victoria. She was there being her mean self.
Jesus, Kate. I'm sorry. This is serious shit.
How do I get a viral video taken down?
Bah, c'est mort là.
I know it's already spreading. What if my church sees that? I need to know what to do.
Kate, we'll figure it out. I'll check back later, okay?
Thanks, Max. You can put my book here near my bag.
Bon, va falloir élucider ce mystère. Je pense qu'on va aller simplement fouiller
So,
la chambre de
Max?
Victoria.
Can I ask you a question? And please be honest.
Oh oui.
Absolutely, Kate.
Toujours.
Anything.
I need to find out if Nathan Prescott helped me or hurt me after that party.
Tu te doutes bien.
Should I go to the police?
Oh. Ah, t'as rien. T'as rien. Hein, il contrôle la ville.
If you do that, they won't believe you. You're on video grabbing at all those guys, and they'll use that against you. Bad.
But I know I was drugged.
That's what you have to prove, not them. I'm just telling you how the cops in school will look at this. The video doesn't exactly back you up.
You make me feel so hopeless.
No, Kate.
Ah.
I just don't want you to get hurt anymore.
That seems impossible at this point. So that's your answer?
I think we should wait. There are other things going on that might help you.
But not right now. So I can walk down the halls with people calling me a viral slut.
Ah, pour le coup, j'y suis
Thanks,
pour rien.
Max.
Oh là là. Putain, la drama queen, quoi. La cousine. Ah bah, vas-y, pleure. Je m'en bats les couilles.
Good job, Dr.
Elle va se flinguer.
Max.
Ah, mais vraiment, genre.
She didn't like what I had to say,
Elle va
but
vraiment se
we need more
flinguer.
proof of what happened.
En plus, je lui dis la vérité. Elle le prend mal, la cousine. L'objectif, du coup, c'est de savoir si Nathan il l'a drogué, savoir qui l'a filmé et réunir des preuves. Voilà. Qu'est-ce qu'il raconte, Chloé? Ça fait déjà 40 minutes. Où est-ce qu'on devait se retrouver? Au diner, je crois, une connerie comme ça. Voilà. Allons-y. Wesh, Brooke.
Hey, Brooke.
Oh, hi, Max.
You look distracted. Everything cool?
I was riveted by that weird snow flurry yesterday.
I can't tell if you're being serious or not. Since I'm a science noob, I was wondering if you could explain it.
I'm serious. Even meteorologists can't explain that snow. I bet Warren can. Did you talk to him yet?
Merde, j'ai pas écouté.
I will later.
Lucky you. I'm sure he'll track you down, Max. I'll see you around.
Allez. Taillons-nous. Ah, je pense... J'aurais pensé que le sol, il aurait été recouvert de neige. Je vais aller voir dans le local... Oh. Je vais aller voir dans le local au cas où, on sait jamais, hein, s'il n'y a pas un truc. C'était sûr.
Samuel really should keep this locked. It's a waiting accident, and too easy to sneak into.
Ça va servir. Samuel. Samu.
The birds are flocking around Samuel.
Putain, la tête de ouf.
Hey Samuel, you're
Non,
up
mais Skin, c'est
early.
la trouille, il est handicapé.
Hello, young Max. I do love the early morning. Everything is so calm and quiet. And I can feel the animals waking up with me.
So, what did you think about that freak snow shower yesterday?
Another message from the Earth to get our shit together. I will say that Samuel hasn't seen anything like that before.
On parle des animaux?
That's one thing I truly love about Arcadia Bay. It's all those cool animals in the forest.
Ça
The
existe, je crois,
squirrels
dans la
always
vraie
come
vie.
in the morning for food.
Là où Life is Strange se passe.
What animals do you see in the forest?
Une biche, allez.
Don't laugh, but I saw a doe that seemed to be looking right at me, like it was trying to communicate.
Oh, that's your spirit animal. Nothing weird there except you saw yours. Could be a sign about your destiny.
Tu penses, Samu?
What do I know? My spirit animal is a squirrel.
I so don't want to get in the way of your morning ritual. See you later.
Of course
Elle
you
a fui
will.
direct. Dès qu'elle a vu qu'il était allumé, elle a fui. C'est trop une dinguerie. Taylor.
Hi, Taylor.
Why would you even talk to me after the shit you pulled
Oh là
yesterday with
là.
Victoria?
I don't want to fight with you or Victoria. Instead of smack talk, let's just talk. For once.
You're funny. Well, I'm not doing anything at the moment, so talk.
Elle va me rien dire sur la vidéo de Kate. Ou peut-être, hein, mais... Et Victoria, qu'est-ce que tu veux lui dire? Elle ressemble à Taylor Swift. Elle a juste le prénom Taylor. Ouais, bien vu, ouais. Vas-y.
Kate is really upset about the
On peut
video.
apprendre des trucs, je pense, avec
All
elle.
this gossip is cruel.
Boo-hoo. That's what happens when you preach to everybody about sex. She'll live.
Oh, ça merde. Ah bah au final, on n'a rien appris. Voilà.
Why do you hang out with Victoria? She's pretty mean to you and Courtney.
And she's bossy too. Look, you don't know her. I do. And she's one of the best friends you could have.
Oh, putain. La
I
suceuse,
guess
quoi.
I've had mean, bossy best friends too. Better than having mean, bossy parents.
I would love it if my mom was mean or bossy instead of sick. But whatever. We've had our talk.
Bah, j'ai rien appris là, non? Rachel owes me money, pay a bitch. Je pense qu'on n'a rien appris, hein. Je vais pas remonter dans le temps. Oh non! Oh non! Oh non, putain, Ewan, c'est vraiment le vas-y lui là du jeu là. Ah, il fait chier.
The Prescott dormitory? Good lord, Nathan's family owns my dorm?
Putain, il y a aucun échappatoire là. Putain.
Max, get over here.
Ah, salut!
What are you doing here?
Salut Warren.
Oh, nothing. Waiting for a call? I mean, I already took the call. Anyway, I wanted to rap about that action yesterday.
On va lui dire merci quand même.
By the way, thank you for stepping in. You were pretty badass, Warren. I owe you.
Oh, yes, you do. I got knocked on my ass by that dick. I'm some personal superhero.
You're a real everyday hero. You stood up to a bully and it was awesome.
Even though you left me with said bully and ran off with that girl, she's pretty punk rock. How do you know her?
Ça te regarde pas.
Just a pirate I used to know.
I bet you were glad to see her blast up in that truck like a rock star. Which begs the question, why is Nathan Prescott getting psycho on you?
Malgré que ce soit un vas-y-lui, il peut nous être utile. Donc je pense pas que lui cacher des infos, ça nous servirait. En plus, j'ai dit que j'allais me confier et tout. Bon, je sais pas si je me souviens plus si c'est moi qui l'ai choisi. Si moi, c'est moi qui l'ai choisi.
I busted him in the bathroom yesterday with a gun.
Non, pourquoi elle a dit ça? Putain, je pensais pas à cette info. Ah, nique sa mère.
I was too scared to tell Principal Wells. Please don't say anything. I'll give you more info later.
Weird fucking week. Like that bizarro snowfall yesterday.
Ah, je te
Speaking
jure.
of dystopia,
Alors, moi, la
that
conne, moi.
drive-in is having a 70s Planet of the Apes marathon. Let's go ape!
Parce que Warren, il a beau être serviable, tout ce que tu veux. Lui, là, tu lui mets une pression, il va parler, c'est sûr. Ressortir l'instinct primaire? Allez, vas-y.
Yes, that's exactly what I need. I love those old school ape films.
Well, that was easier than I thought. Cool, I'll text you the info.
Ah, au moins, on a débloqué une activité. Bon, c'est cool, ça. Ça, c'est cool. Allez, fuyons.
David talking to Nathan cannot be a good thing. This has something to do with Kate. Or Rachel.
On va prendre le bus en mode? En mode bus, en mode musique. Oh, j'adore. Putain, j'adore les musiques dans le jeu. Ah, vraiment. En fait, ça me fait vraiment penser aux musiques dans le jeu The Walking Dead. Les musiques dans le jeu The Walking Dead, j'avais sûr. Putain, on vient de voir le phare. Le phare, il est loin en fait. Hein. Ah, il est incroyable. Ah, le jeu, il est incroyable, sa grand-mère. Franchement, si t'as l'occasion, le jeu, refais-le en priorité. Je te spoilerai en te disant que la saison 1, la saison 2 et la saison 4, elles sont incroyables. La saison 3, elle est un petit peu en dessous, mais elle reste tout aussi bien.
I wouldn't dream of it.
I'm gonna be a millionaire. Hope nobody steals my
Oh,
love.
Amine
Talk
le
about
suceur,
going
il a
back
dansé
in
Elden Ring.
time. The
Putain.
diner looks exactly the same.
C'est paisible ici, mais putain, qu'est-ce que tu dois être en dépression? Non, j'avoue, en vrai, je pense que j'échange tout pour être ici. Bonjour, madame.
Hi. You look lost.
Close. Do you know if the bus has come yet? The online schedule isn't working.
I just got off the school bus, but I'm sure the regular bus is coming too.
Oh, that's a relief. I can't be late for this job interview. I can't believe I have to take a bus all the way to Newport just to find a second job.
Are things that bad here?
Where are things good? I can't even afford to live here.
Well, good luck.
Thanks, I sure need it.
Vieil homme. Chloé, j'arrive. Putain.
No time for chit chat. I'm a millionaire. Yep.
Oui, oui.
Got my lottery ticket
Oui, oui,
right
d'accord.
here. Waiting for the bus so I can cash it in.
Je peux pas lui voler? Non, dommage, j'ai pas un truc comme ça, genre. Hold to another universe. Pick up. Oh, encore le dog. Oh
Stop
putain.
that! Stop!
Moi j'ai eu peur.
Barky.
There was something creepy about that guy. There's that dirty RV from the other day.
Ouais. Au moins on a vu qui était le propriétaire.
Look at all these flyers. It's so sad that nobody will read them.
Bonjour.
Good morning. Looks like you're ready to catch some serious fish.
I wish, young gal. Arcadia Bay just isn't the same fishing town I
Ouais, on
grew up
dirait une coule dans Fallout.
Has the town changed much?
By Neptune's beard, it has. Seems like a lifetime ago when I was king of the harbor.
You did pretty good to have lasted this long.
Oh, the fish used to jump onto my boat until the Prescotts and their finance fiends snapped up harbor rights.
Personne heureux. Ah vraiment. Attendez les mecs, il y a un putain de moustique sur mon écran. Je me permets, attendez. Attends, comment je fais ça? Oui! Je l'ai eu les mecs. Il est mort. Un max de GG dans le chat. Reprenons. Eh, vraiment personne n'est heureux. C'est vraiment ça. C'est putain.
They might rename the town Prescott Bay.
Merci, merci pour les GG.
That tells you much.
Do you know them?
Do good for my working kind. I know them through their bad
Il nous apprend des
deeds.
choses là.
Let's not get downcast. I hear the fish calling for Bali High. Never forget that old fishermen never die. We just smell that way.
I'd love to learn more, but I have to get going. Happy fishing out there.
Ok. Je peux aller plus loin? Je pense pas, mais... Ah, je peux lui parler. Je peux prendre le journal.
Snow. Well, that's a good start to the story.
Ça fait tellement longtemps que j'ai pas pris un journal en main. Oh. Je devrais faire. Même si... Ah, maintenant, en fait, tu vas sur Twitter, t'as direct les infos, quoi.
Excuse me, sir?
Can you believe this town? The world is on fire, and our big headline is snow. I can hardly wait for next week's big story. Clouds!
How long have you lived here?
Long enough to know that Arcadia Bay will be a ghost town in a few years.
Pas faux.
I keep reading how Arcadia Bay is booming.
The paper can only talk about that or about missing girls.
You mean Rachel Amber?
I guess. I bet she ran away because she was bored. Who wouldn't be here?
Avant d'aller voir la SDF
I
là-bas,
don't want
là.
to go that way.
Oh là. Calme-toi, ma grande. Je peux traverser et me faire écraser ou pas? Sans abri. Clochard. Là, il y a le dog.
Hello.
Oh, look at you.
A fine example of youth.
Putain, les têtes
I bet
les têtes
you're a
déterrées qu'ils
senior
ont. Non,
student.
c'est trop un truc de ouf.
Yes, I go to Blackwell Academy.
I could tell you're a wise young woman. I know all about Blackwell and this
Ah.
town.
Peut-être qu'elle va nous être utile.
I bet you have dirt on the Prescott family.
That whole family is dirty. They once done good things for Arcadia Bay. Those days are dead, like anything in their way.
I
Mais
know
ça nous
somebody
apprend
who's
pas
been
grand-chose.
threatened by
Hein,
a Prescott.
Then you be their guardian angel, because nothing gets in the way of that family, especially not the law. Hell, they own your school, Blackwell. Almost.
Ah ouais, mais on le sait déjà, ça. Un peu déçu là.
How long have you lived in Arcadia Bay?
Attendez, je vais me tuer avec une date.
1,000
Là.
years.
Attendez.
I've gone through the same changes as the town.
What happened to you?
What didn't happen to me? Sometimes you start out in life turned around the wrong way. I married dumb, made mistakes, got cheated out of my savings, lost my home, and now I hang out here.
I'm sorry. Have you ever lived outside of here?
Where the hell would I go? I hate the sun and love the mist. I might be homeless, but Arcadia Bay is still my home.
You must know Joyce Price from the Two Whales Diner.
She's fed me more than my own family. How's a daughter your age who's always in trouble? Married to a real prick.
His name is David Madsen.
He told me to get a job once. Asshole.
Le
Not
bâtard.
sure what Joyce sees in him, but he better treat her right.
I have to go now. Goodbye.
Nique ta mère. On a fait le tour. Allons-y. Allons manger des superbes gaufres.
That smell of breakfast and the sound of clanging silverware makes me feel 13 again.
Ah mais c'est lui Trevor. Trevor et Justin. Wesh les aliens bien ou quoi?
What's up, Justin?
Getting my coffee on before I cut class and destroy some rails. Shouldn't you be taking photos?
I am always taking photos. I am a camera.
You crack me up, Maxter. Of course I'm baked, so I'll laugh at anything.
You should be studying, bad boy.
So where's all your homework, schoolgirl?
School. Speaking of buds, I saw your bro Trevor sneaking out of Dana's room.
Trevor finally told me about him and Dana hooking up. He got there first, so I snooze and I lose. See you later, Max.
Ah mais vraiment. Qu'est-ce que la police fait
Hey,
quoi dans
Trevor.
cette ville?
Holla, Max. By the way, I know you saw me in the dorm.
Yeah, I saw you coming out of Dana's room.
Yeah, and I finally had to tell Justin because, well, he was into her too.
Putain, équipé
How
sur la
did
même meuf.
Justin react?
I got him blazed. He was cool. Nobody has secrets in Blackwell anyway. See you in class, Max.
Putain, la coulante.
Did you catch any big ones today?
If by big you mean none, then sure. I caught a lot of big
Tout le monde
ones
veut
today.
Dana.
Now let me mourn over my eggs.
Oh, ta gueule, toi. Putain, il m'a
Hello
zack.
there to you! Such a beautiful day, eh? Oh yeah, it's gonna be a super day.
Voilà les
Enjoy
yeux
your
écartés là.
breakfast, eh?
Un petit
Oh
bubblegum.
man, I bet that's the same gum from when I was here last. This guy has serious cojones.
Parte en expédition avec le commandant Cousteau. Ouais. C'est qui, c'est Cousteau encore?
Why does that so
No.
not sound fun?
Ah, c'est que des expéditions. Là encore, je suppose que c'est une
I
expédition.
might make Chloe check this out with me.
Ah non. Ah oui, c'est l'histoire du Bigfoot. Carte postale, t-shirt.
I would buy a shirt, but they're so damn tourist.
Oh, je l'achète le t-shirt. L'ambiance.
What do you want? I feel like shit. Too much beer, so spare me, please. Just let me suffer quietly.
Monsieur l'agent.
Hello, sir.
Hi, young lady. You look a little lost.
Just hungry and thinking about what to eat.
Now, that is a real problem at the Two Wells. I can never decide. Joyce's pumpkin pie or grilled mac and cheese?
Ah. On peut parler à la police. Ça, c'est intéressant.
I guess you're friends with David Madsen.
I wouldn't use that word. We know each other. Why do you ask?
On va être honnête, hein, il a une mauvaise réputation. Hein.
He kinda has a reputation at Blackwell.
I have respect for David. He served his country. He found his calling at Blackwell. At the station, we're happy David is exactly where he is. Not everybody can be a cop.
So, you know Chloe?
Sadly, we all know Chloe down at the station. Poor Joyce. Just heard she even just got busted with pot in her room.
Who told you that?
I didn't hear it on the police scanner. Joyce said the weed belonged to Chloe's friend, but I highly doubt that.
Joyce didn't tell you who?
She wouldn't. Afraid I'd go arrest somebody, as if I would.
C'est nous l'ami en
I
question.
just tell that loser to stay the hell away from Chloe, or else. Just kidding. Besides, David Madsen's watching over.
Veille
Is she
sur
a
elle,
friend of yours?
veille sur elle, il lui a mis un revers là quand même. Pas vraiment.
Not really.
That's good. She's not a bad person. She's had hard times, but there's no excuse for burning things.
I know her dad died.
My dad died when I was 13. I never burned garbage cans or tagged signs. Joyce is a great mother. Chloe just isn't paying attention.
Mais tu comprends pas, on s'émancipe de ce
How well
monde.
do you know Joyce?
I know her delicious grub. Everybody at the station comes here. We take care of this place like it's our own kitchen. And Joyce like she's our mother.
I have to go now. Enjoy your breakfast.
By the way, one thing I can tell you for certain is to stay away from that RV outside.
I usually stay away from sketchy parked vehicles.
Wise policy. The guy who lives in it, Frank,
Dis-nous en
is
plus.
pretty sketchy himself. That's all I can say for now. I should finish up my coffee and get to work.
I don't feel like talking right now. I gotta deliver a load of breakfast to my stomach. Over and out.
On peut lui parler à Lewis.
Hello?
Pardon moi, but you're in my eyesight.
Isn't everything in here within eyesight?
I don't care for your tone. You sound like Joyce.
How does Joyce sound?
Bossy and smartass. Like you.
Joyce rules. I want to be exactly like her when I grow up.
Looks like you're on your way. I've been coming to this dive for 3 years, and Joyce gives me shit like it's going out of style.
That's how she rolls. That's why I worship her every move.
Good. I can't wait to see you flipping greasy bacon in a diner when you grow up. Exactly like Joyce. Now pardon me while I get back to my coffee.
Et elle sourit, elle est contente. Oh, c'est quoi? Ah, c'est des bails de pêche, je pense. Oh,
Whoa, Ken Kesey with Joyce? That's so perfect.
on peut changer la musique? Oh, magnifique. Ah, faut que je m'assoie. Je voulais juste aller aux chiottes avant. Alors, Kate Marsh. Flush bien fort, pissing on the floor. Truc de con. Rachel. Owes me a blowjob. Oh là là, putain. Allez, allons-y. Je suis me rentre dans les yeux.
And there she is. Lovely young woman. How are you doing,
Wesh.
Max?
Hi, Joyce.
Bien quoi,
It's nice to
Joyce?
see you again. You look the same.
Like I'm still a waitress at Two Whales after all these years.
No, like you still look pretty.
Nice save, kid.
Pas si sûr.
You're still smart. But I wish you'd been here to help save Chloe. She got busted yesterday smoking out. Again.
I know. Chloe told me that her stepfather hit her.
I am sorry that was your introduction.
Pourquoi tu
to
mets
David.
un...
I hope you get to know him on your terms,
Un
not
truc.
Chloe's. He's a good man. He just...
Yeah, I'm sure he is since you married him, but don't be so harsh on Chloe.
It's good you're here. I was hoping you could be a good influence in her life now.
I will be. Promise. I know things were hard for you and Chloe. I feel bad I didn't call. Now my folks are in Seattle and I'm all alone at Blackwell. It's my karma.
You did the right thing. You moved forward with your life. I did after William passed on.
Putain,
Chloe?
c'est ça que je me
Chloe
dis, elle
chose to stay
ressemble à,
angry. Anyway, I hope we see more of you.
à
Chloe needs an old
la
friend
prostituée dans Breaking Bad.
Joyce, I am
Celle
so
que
sorry
Jesse
about
Pinkman
William. I have great memories of
il
him.
baise au début.
I'm glad, Max. That was his gift to us. Wonderful memories. Even if Chloe doesn't understand yet.
Chloe must have changed a lot during that time.
Oh, she hit all the phases. Expulsion, running away, drugs, bad boys, tattoos, piercings, blue hair. Now she's got to rebel against her stepfather.
I see why. I mean,
Why? What did Chloe tell you?
Est-ce qu'on lui dit que David lui a mis une torgnole ou pas? Je pense pas, je pense que c'est une mauvaise idée.
Chloe doesn't have to tell me anything. I just know how David is at Blackwell.
You know what happened. David slapped Chloe.
Ah bah elle le sait.
Fucked up. But Chloe does push David, and it's not fair. He paid his dues in a war. He does care about her, along with all the students at Blackwell.
He cares about Kate Marsh?
David mentioned her, but I stay out of his business. I won't patrol Blackwell, and he won't cook at the diner, you know?
Yesterday, I took a picture of him fighting with Kate. I thought you might know why.
Nice try, Nancy Drew. But next to you, there's only one student I'm worried about. And she's not even in school anymore. So, now let's get down to the nitty-gritty. What do you want to eat?
Allez, une petite gaufre.
The last good Belgian waffle I had was here when I was 13 years old. So, bring it on.
Now finish your coffee. One Belgian waffle for the hungry girl. Pronto?
One Belgian waffle at 12 o'clock high.
Nerd. I love the delish anticipation of breakfast.
Ouais, je sais pas comment Cab il fait ça d'un coup.
The only thing that's changed on the menu are the prices.
Can I get some beer and bacon before I die?
This is a diner, not a bar.
No beer?
This is like fourth dimensional deja vu. I keep going back in time.
Order ready.
Allez, je m'allume au café.
This is like fourth.
Regardons par la fenêtre un petit coup. Non Elle arrive avec mon bail.
I can hear your
Ramène ma
stomach
graille.
rumbling from here, Max. Here, you'll love this.
I'm drooling like a baby.
Still can't believe you're a woman. When I look at pictures of Chloe, speak of the devil.
Mom and Max, together again.
And Chloe looking for a free meal. You put your whole damn college fund on your tab.
I'm treating Chloe for breakfast.
No, you're not. This is my treat. To you, for coming back to rescue my daughter.
Nobody needs to rescue me.
Unless you set your room on fire smoking out.
Oh god, here it comes. Didn't you and Sergeant Pepper already read me the riot act last night?
Call him David if you don't want to be lectured. You only get one damn slice of bacon a day.
You guys are still the same.
Another reason to blow this town. What is this shit on the jukebox?
C'est moi qui ai mis la musique. Merde.
Now that that's out of the way. Let's talk about your superpower.
I don't have any explanation.
On dirait
And I can't explain why I saw that crazy fucking tornado.
Joseph
Come
Quinn
on, that's
dans
just a
Stranger
daydream.
Things.
I want proof you can rewind time.
This is all
En mode elle est
happening
décalée.
so
Elle est
fast.
super cool.
We'll start slow. Right here, now.
I can tell you every single thing you have in your pockets.
You have X-ray vision, dude? I don't even know what's in my pockets. Let me see. Okay, Max. Impress me.
You have a tube of glitter in there, right?
Nada. Wrong answer. Okay, psychic girl. Let me show you what's actually in my pockets.
Bah non, mais on remonte dans le temps.
That was beyond epic fail. You even made me want to believe you.
Ah, là on peut.
Okay, Max. Study every item carefully
Ok,
and don't
un
forget
panda
anything.
avec une clé. Des clopes, un panda avec une clé, des clopes, des pièces. Et c'est quoi? Ah, et une amende. Ok, un panda avec des clés, des clopes, une amende et des pièces. Ok.
Okay, Max. I'm hella ready.
I'm pretty sure you have cigarettes on you.
Yes, you know I'm a smoker. But how many cigarettes?
Oh là là.
6 cigarettes.
Absolutely. Wrong. Okay, psychic.
Putain, les bâtards.
Okay, Max. Study every item
1, 2,
carefully
3,
and don't
4,
forget
5,
anything.
6, 7, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pièces, 7 clopes. 10 4. Parce qu'elle était hors emplacement autorisé. Ok. Ok. Ok.
Okay, Max.
On va se rejouer la carte des
I'm
clopes.
pretty sure you have cigarettes.
Yes, you know.
7 cigarettes.
A superpower that allows you to count cigarettes. Cool. Amazing. Something else in my pockets?
Your car keys.
Duh, way too easy. I need details. Describe my keychain.
A cute robot panda keychain.
Not bad, Super Max. You do have that Irish luck, Caulfield.
Ah ouais, mon gars.
What else?
Some money.
Clearly I'm rich as fuck. How much do I have?
Ah putain, mais comment je suis censé savoir?
25 cents.
You lose. Okay, psychic.
Okay, Max. Study every item carefully and don't forget anything.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. C'est combien ça? Ah, 5 cents, ok. 5, 10, 15, 20. « 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Ok, 26.
Okay, Max.
On va commencer par les pièces directes.
Clearly.
Mais wesh. Ah, attends, je vais dire 86.
86 cents.
That's right, living large in Arcadia Bay.
Bon, j'ai rien
So
capté.
that was cool. Show me more.
I'm
Yes.
7.
Amazing.
Porte-clés.
Your car.
Duh, wait.
Hop.
Nope. You do have that.
A parking ticket.
You know me well. But
6h34.
what is the exact time I was
Je me suis
busted?
souvenu.
10:34 a.m.
Booyah! Max can tell time.
Ah, mon gars.
Amazeballs. I literally just got chills all over my neck. You have powers.
I'll take that crap off the table, Chloe.
Sure, Mom.
How's the food, Max?
Better than I remembered.
Very good save.
Man, I'm hungry like the wolf.
Clearly.
I'm freaking out about what just happened. You have to show me more. Something way cooler so I will believe you without any doubt.
I will predict the future.
No way.
Now, pay attention to everything that happens in the next few moments so you can dazzle Chloe with your mad power.
Oops.
Did you break another cup? Really? No refill for you.
Shh. And now I gotta take this call and leave my breakfast. Hey, where is my partner?
You're a dick. Don't slap me, bitch.
Take your fight club outside.
He started it.
I'm finishing it.
That's the best song I've
This
heard
is
yet.
sure the hell
Attends, je suis un
better
peu
than that
concentré
other
là.
garbage.
I think our jukebox
Non, c'est pas
box is
maintenant.
headed for Davy Jones's locker.
Ah putain, faut que je me souvienne de tout.
So, what are you waiting for?
Now, pay attention to everything that happens in the next few moments so you can dazzle Chloe with your mad power.
Merde.
You're a.
I'm going to predict 4 events that will happen in the next 30 seconds or so. Trevor drops his glass and Justin makes fun of him.
So, what happens next?
Mais non, c'est pas ça, merde.
The cop gets an emergency alert on his radio and his partner in the car leaves without him.
Well, let's just see how this goes down.
Merde, je me suis trompé. Attends.
Justin and
je dis
Trevor
au pif,
fight
vas-y.
and Joyce encourages them.
This is getting good. Can't wait to see what happens.
The jukebox goes crazy as the trucker tries to play a new song.
Pretty bizarro, Max. But let's see if everything happens like you said.
Je me suis trompé.
I'm going to predict
Le camionneur fait tomber sa tasse.
The trucker drops his mug, and Joyce rips him a new one.
So, what happens next?
Ensuite, son équipier s'en va.
The cop gets an emergency.
Well, let's.
Ensuite, il les sépare.
Justin and Trevor are fighting, and Joyce breaks it up.
This is getting good.
On va dire quand une mouche, hein, on va dire.
The jukebox goes crazy as a fly lands on it.
Pretty bizarro, Max. But let's see if.
On va voir.
Oops.
Dude,
Did
you
you
were right.
break another cup? Really? No refill for you.
Shh. And now I gotta take this call and leave my breakfast. Hey, where is my partner?
You're a dick.
That's so
Slap me,
cool.
bitch. Take your fight club outside.
He started it.
I'm finishing it.
That is wild.
C'était un cafard, putain, j'ai le seum.
This is a sad day in Maxville.
This is sure the hell better than that other.
Bon, c'était un cafard. Hop là.
I'm
Allez.
going to predict.
Le camionneur fait tomber
The
sa
truck-
tasse.
So,
Son équipier s'en va.
well,
Et les sépare.
this is getting.
Et quand un cafard grimpe dessus.
The jukebox goes crazy as a cockroach crawls on it.
Pretty bizarro, Max.
Pretty
But
bizarre.
let's see if.
Oops.
Did you break another cup?
Oh, way to
really?
go, Mom.
No refill for you.
Shh. And now I gotta take this call and leave my breakfast. Hey, where is my partner?
You called it. Brady's off to go bust some skaters.
You're a dick.
Don't slap me, bitch.
Take your fight club outside.
He started it.
I'm finishing it.
Trevor and Justin must be in love. You predicted a cockroach on the jukebox? I pledge allegiance to Max and the power for which she stands.
This isn't a toy, Chloe. I do have to be careful how I use it.
Screw that! Of course it's a toy. The best toy ever? You can bang anyone with no strings attached, rewind time, and boom! It's like it never happened.
Grow up.
Maybe you made a move on me and I would never know.
Yes, that's what I did.
You can rewind time, Max. That's fucking
Bah alors?
insane. We have to play.
Tu veux que je te le règle?
I don't have time.
Bah, je repense
You did not just
qui
say
avait
that.
dormi.
Check
T'as pas pensé
out your
à moi.
nose. Too much
Même
blow?
pas un peu.
Hey,
Wesh,
are
mais
you
c'est
okay?
littéralement Stranger
Too
Things.
much excitement. See what happens when we hook up
Elle est là, elle
again.
fait.
Then let's go to one of my secret lairs
Et
and
c'est
fully
une
test
après.
your power. You need a sidekick to guide you.
Okay, girl wonder. Show me the way to Chloe's cave.
Hop là. Toute décontraction.
Okay, Supergirl, let's go to my secret place.
Oui, dans son
Don't
squat.
even answer. We have places to go and people to do. Come on, before Mom starts some more shit. Let's bail.
It's Kate Marsh from Blackwell.
Big whoop. You don't call me once in 5 years and now you're all over some biatch you see every day at school? I see how you roll. So go ahead, chat up Kate Marsh from Blackwell. I've got other people to hang out with too.
Pourquoi elle attend comme ça, elle? Oh là là, ça c'est un truc de con, ça. Oh, ça c'est un truc de con. Non, pour moi, vas-y, frère, elle est pas là en mode, elle fait une crise de jalousie en mode, bah vas-y. Vas-y, réponds, hein. Apparemment, je suis pas si importante que ça, tout ça. Allez, s'il te plaît. Putain, let's go Vitality, on l'a gagné. Putain.
Hey, Kate. What's up?
Please, don't let your best friend get in the way.
You okay? I promise, Kate. I won't forget. I swear. Just do your homework and don't stress. I really don't think we should go into this right now. I'll call you later, okay?
T'as vu, ça a duré 10 secondes. Hein.
Thanks, Max.
Y a rien.
If you'd rather chill with Kate, please.
Oh là
Go ahead. You are ridiculous. I'm chilling with you, okay?
Voilà,
For
dis-le,
now.
dis-le, voilà.
Let's rock.
Putain, supportable. Ah non, Chloé, elle me fait chier là.
Sucks that Chloe and Joyce got into an argument.
Oh putain, et voilà. Le mec en camping-car, je sais pas qui c'est lui, mais je sens qu'il va nous faire chier.
Is this a race?
Keep up.
How many times are you going to get pissed at me this week?
That depends on you and how well you do in this phase of the test. Welcome to American Rust.
Voilà,
my home away
ce que
from
j'avais
home.
dit un squat.
Raw and rough.
Ça, c'est
It
grave.
suits you.
Max, do you know how awesome this is? I get my best friend back, and she's also supersized.
We don't know for how long.
Exactly why it's time to have fun.
On va faire quoi? On va s'amuser à casser des
David might
voitures,
be
à
a
casser des
douche,
bouteilles. Ah
but
bah voilà.
he did steal his gun. Is everybody armed in Arcadia Bay now?
Only the ones who shouldn't be, like Step Dildo. Until now.
I'm not in the revolution yet, Che.
You are the revolution, Max. So we should figure out how to best use and abuse your power with the test. Drink?
Yuck.
You are so cute. You haven't changed a bit. Okay, let's do this. Can you find 5 bottles while I prep the shooting range?
Beer and guns? Nice combo.
You can handle it.
Y a rien de mieux.
Now go find us 5 bottles, pretty
Ne
please.
pas être en totale possession de ses moyens et avoir une arme à feu. Y a rien de mieux. J'adore. Faut que je trouve quoi, des bouteilles là? En mode bouteille.
Every car has its own tale and history. So sad to look at a grounded boat. I wonder who owned that and where they are now.
Ah, vieille pareil.
Beyond repair. Rest in peace. This is the scariest thing here. Oh, poor thing. They left you here all alone.
Un bon gros bébé. Ah voilà, bouteille.
Look what we have here. A cute little bottle for the taking.
Break time.
Stupid bottle.
Allez, remonte dans le temps. Y a pas moyen de poser un matelas ou un truc comme ça là? Ah voilà.
Hello, bottle number 1. 4 more to go. No way! I totally remember going there when I was a kid. I loved the Hush Puppies.
Putain, j'ai envie de
Now
donuts.
the
Là.
sign is just Arcadia Bay junk.
J'ai envie de manger des bons donuts là. Bah ouais, ils m'ont proposé des photos. Ah voilà. Machine à laver.
I wonder wonder how many generations of fashion went through that washing machine.
Putain. Toujours un coup de barre au bout d'une heure et demie de live.
Only 3 bottles left.
C'est physique quand même de live, hein.
I wonder if Chloe thinks about her father when she looks at all these smashed up cars.
Ah, foreshadowing des mecs. Oh non, pas Warren, putain.
Wowzer. That looks exactly like the same doe from my tornado vision. That doe is the perfect photo op.
On va s'asseoir un peu.
It's so quiet and primordial out here. I always feel like the forest is whispering to me. Like Arcadia Bay is trying to tell me something. I just have to figure out the message.
Dans la vie, il faut savoir prendre le temps des fois. Alors, trouvons ces 3 autres bouteilles.
This was an old school punk shirt.
Elle n'existe pas vraiment, la biche? Je comprends pas. Putain, comment elle court. Elle me donne envie de la balayer.
Thanks for the tip.
Faire gaffe là sur les rails du train. Hein.
All this rusted metal makes me feel serene. Am I morbid or just goth? I could use this board as a bridge. Doesn't look too heavy.
T'as juste allé dans la maison d'abord.
This looks like a graffiti museum for Chloe and Rachel. I bet I can find out more about Rachel here. 3 down, 2 more to go. I want to die. Jeez. Who wrote this? So Rachel did go to a Vortex Club party.
Ok.
This flyer is dated right before she disappeared.
03-28-13. Chloe was here. Rachel was here.
I don't want to intrude, but I was here.
Non, non, on va pas écrire. C'est leur petit coin de
They
paradis.
would have gone all the way to Los Angeles for a rave. Looks fun.
Mixtape?
Rachel songs. I wonder if Chloe would ever make me a mixtape.
Putain, mais tu veux déjà la pécho, mais c'est pas possible, toi.
I can't see Chloe playing with makeup. That kind of hurts. They really were besties. That could have been me instead of Rachel.
Oh là là. Ce genre de commentaires, tu peux te les garder pour toi, d'accord? Sérieux. Seringue?
Oh, gross.
Seringue.
So disturbing to see old syringes on the ground. Those shells look fresh.
Ballon de foot.
The Bigfoots were here.
Ok, utilisons la planche.
way heavier than I thought. Ugh.
Bouteille.
More bottle to go.
Oh putain. Mais attendez les mecs. J'espère que le stream n'a pas coupé. Là je sais que c'est toujours en... Ça marche toujours, mais je veux dire ça a pas créé 2 rediffs comme hier. Je sais pas, de toute façon les rediffs elles sont pas activées. Donc faut que je vois après. Ouais je sais, tout va bien, c'est juste qu'en fait j'ai vu... en gros moi sur mon retour, j'ai le retour du chat et quand je lance un live, il y a écrit bienvenue sur le chat ou une connerie comme ça, tu vois. Et du coup là ça me l'a mis. Et j'ai cru que du coup tu sais il y avait une micro coupure. Mais non là je vois que tout va bien, il y a
Although this
rien.
junkyard is a dive, I see why Chloe hangs here. She's a steampunk. It actually feels like Chloe and I are kids again. We're hiding out and plotting our future. Despite all the chaos and bullshit, I feel so giddy hanging out with her again. So happy. Like we've both gone back in time.
Magnifique.
I know there's a bonfire spot where people party around here.
Ah ouais? Où est-ce qu'il peut se trouver dans ce cas?
Nope, I don't want to go there.
Je vais dire un peu plus loin peut-être, mais apparemment non. Certainement pas là, je pense.
I don't want to
Ouais,
go
non.
that way.
I don't want to go that way. Ah, ici.
I'm sure this is a popular party pit.
Parfait.
Voila. Now I can deliver this bottle booty to Captain Chloe.
Vas-y, tombe. Oh! Putain, la feinte.
Thanks, Max.
Pas de souci.
Wait, one more for the road?
You're serious about this.
We're gonna shoot all these bottles without wasting a single bullet. Max, you have to help me aim. Show me the way, Max.
I need to see you shoot first.
Je capte pas ce que je suis censé faire là. Ah. Ok.
Aim a bit to the right.
Sir, yes, sir. Did you see that shit, Max?
Duh.
That was
Duh.
so fucking cool. Now for the second bottle. Now, Max, where do I aim?
You're on target. Pull the trigger.
Un peu plus haut, ma grande.
Aim slightly above.
Right between the eyes. Watch out, Nathan. Now that is fun. Let's pump up the volume and find me another target. I want to get creative here. Give me something to shoot, Max.
Let's
Sur la
take out
jante.
this wheel rim on your left.
Taking out the wheel rim now?
Oh,
Hella yes!
la dinguerie.
Nice shooting, Tex.
Now that's what I'm talking about.
Satisfied?
Like, never? So I want one more uber cool trick shot.
How about using that junker for a target now?
Dude, I need a target before I shoot.
I want to see that windshield go down.
Watch out for flying glass.
Putain, elle a fait éteindre un
You
écureuil.
guys better run for cover. Yet the bottle remains.
Ah ok, faut faire un ricochet en mode.
Dude, I need a target before I shoot.
Put a real dent in that front bumper.
Goodbye, cruel bumper.
Oh!
Jesus, I shot myself! Ugh, I shot myself! Back up, back
Stupid gun. Hold on, Chloe.
Oh la dinguerie. Oh.
Dude, I need a target before I shoot. Well,
on va essayer
Max,
ça.
How about aiming for the left tire?
Adios, spinning wheel of death. Uber cool. I cannot believe this is for reals. My best friend is a superhero. Now it's your turn to bust a cap.
Ah, j'ai mal à la tête.
I don't know.
J'ai mal à la tête. Ah.
Max, your nose. Damn.
I don't feel so super.
Max!
Wow.
You freaked me out there. Do you feel any better now?
A little. Thanks for helping me. Just give me a minute.
Too much action for Arcadia?
Maybe not enough. This is kind of fun. Scary and stupid, but fun.
Let me know when you feel okay.
God, this power really messes with my head. I'm glad I feel normal again.